Hey guys, welcome to Unit 10, Section 4, Part 2. Now we're talking about pyramid volume. So the volume of a pyramid, the formula is V equals 1/3 base area times height. So there's a little bit less to this one than the surface area formula. But the part you have to be careful about is the height is talking about the vertical height, not the slant height like we were with surface area. And this 1/3 is because this formula is very similar to the prism formula. But you have to think about the fact that a prism has two bases, whereas with the pyramid, we only have one. So it's not going to be as dense in terms of volume. So this first pyramid, we pretty much have everything we need. We know that to find the base, it's a square base. So B is just going to be side times side, so 10 times 10, which is 100. 100 here. And then the height, notice it's already given for us, it's 6. It starts at the center, goes to the apex, that very top point. So volume is going to equal, this comes out to 200, and we don't have a label, so we're going to put units squared. Nothing too crazy with that one, though. Now the next one that we have, the volume of this pyramid, again, base area times height. We know the slant height this time, but we don't know the height. So we're going to have to do some work and solve for that. Also, we can find the area of the base pretty easily. Since it's a rectangular base, it's going to be 17 times 32. Okay, so let me pull up the calculator here. And we get 544. Next part, you have to notice that with this, we have the slant height. We don't know the height, but we can create a right triangle, slice out of the center, and we can figure out what this bottom dotted line would be. Since it's halfway across the base, it's going to be 16 because that's half of the 32 right there. So now we have a right triangle that we can use to find the height. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So it's going to be h squared plus 16 squared equals 28.84 squared. H squared plus 256 equals, I got to type this in my calculator. We get 831.75, we'll round that to. Then we're going to subtract 256. We get h squared equals 575.75. And then we're going to take the square root of both sides, and we get the height is approximately 23.99, so we're just going to round that up to 24 since it's so close. So the height is 24, and now we have everything we need for the formula. So V equals 1/3 times the base is 544, and the height is going to be 24. We get 4,352. And that is feet squared. Or feet cubed, excuse me. I did that on the other one. We're talking about volume here, so we got to change that to cubed. Same thing with this one. All right, and that's how you find volume.